Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. On today's menu we have some delicious creamy macaroni salad. Here are the nice up ingredients that I will be using to create this yumminess. When me say yummy, me mean yummy. It tastes all that good and all that nice with all them bag of spice. So let's get cooking. So I had gone ahead and put my water to boil, so I'm going to add some salt to it and then I'm going to add the macaroni. Now let's go ahead and sort out some carrots. I'm going to peel and dice it up. Guys, remember carrots don't take long to cook, so I'm going to add these to my macaroni pot about 5 minutes before I turn off the fire. So yeah, 5 minutes before the macaroni done cook, you add them because them not take long for cook. Worse, them chop fine, they are diced so fine, yeah, them cook in a no time. So my macaroni is almost cooked. The pot now bubble because me did turn on the fire. So I'm going to add my little diced carrots and stir up everybody together in one accord. And then I'm going to continue with my onion. So guys, I don't like the taste of raw onions, so I chop them up fine. Yes, very fine. Let's check on the macaroni pot. Yup, it's done. So I'm going to pour it into my colander to drain and to cool. Guys, remember you can't add mayonnaise to a hot macaroni. It's going to melt and you're not going to have that nice creamy look. So make sure you put it to cool before you add your mayonnaise. Now back to mincing I go. And trust me, I prefer to spend the time to do this as much as it's tedious. But you know, I really need to enjoy my food, and me can't stand the taste of raw onion, especially when it's chunky and so yeah. So if you don't mind the taste of raw onion, you don't have to chop it up so fine. Go ahead and kind of have it, dice the regular way, the regular size. My sweet peppers, I don't necessarily need to be fine. So yeah, we can deal with those in the regular size. And we're going to be adding all the colors, so all the green, the yellow and the red, because we need our macaroni salad to be pretty, to have a pop of color here and there. So yeah, next color coming up, it's the yellow. They don't have to be fine, but they definitely can't be chunky. Chop away, my girl, chop away. Chop away, my girl, chop away. Hey, And Red, where are you? There you are. Let me chop you up. And especially the red, me not to go in hard pan the red for chop it up really, you know, as fine as even the other ones, because me definitely need the pop. Me need the red for pop out a bit, yeah? So here they are. So now let's combine everything and then some. So I'm adding my chopped sweet peppers and some mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Some black pepper, about 1 teaspoon. And stir it up. And guys, it's better if you layer your mayonnaise. Add some and mix it up, and then see where you stand, and then add some more. This way you don't want to add too much all at once, and then you're gonna spoil your macaroni salad. So, you know, add and see where you stand. And please remember to taste as you go. We taste as we go when we're cooking, so we know, all right, I want some more of this, I want some more of that. So combine everything. Yeah, try evenly distribute that mayonnaise. Get it all up in there. These are the only mix up we're interested in now. No other mix up around here. Good. So now I'm going to add 1 can of sweet corn and 1 can of green peas, and then combine everybody. Mix it up, all nice and colorful and creamy. Isn't it looking so creamy and yummy? I can taste it. I can taste it. And because of that, I just a smile, because I know how good it tastes. Oh my goodness, if you guys could taste it. Listen, I know already how good it tastes. Oy. Oh, thank you, Lord, for good food. And here we have it. Guys, here we have the finished product. A nice, creamy, delicious, very flavorful macaroni salad. Trust me, it's nice. Uno go out, uno bring 1 plate of this, me I tell you, and just dash it on the table, and people just run come like ants. Macaroni salad! Macaroni salad! Yes! Well, one them taste it first and them know say your one. But yeah, this is the one to try, guys. That one, yeah, I eat. I hope you guys try this recipe, and please share with someone. As usual, you know, ask them to subscribe. Thanks so much for the support, and you guys please enjoy this recipe. Click the like button if you like this recipe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Please like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you, and please, take care of yourself.